Welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for the HR competitive exams. We do provide online course for all kind of HR exam. We are here with IBPS SO HR Mains exam course. This video is all about IBPS SO HR online crash course. According to IBPS, Mains exam has only professional knowledge questions. This course consists of study materials and test series. Before subscribing to the course, you need to go through these course details. Here is the key highlights of the course. Let's look into course details. This article will help you to understand the course structure. This diagram represents course structure. Here is the study materials and test series. We cover topic-wise and act-wise study materials. Under test series, we provided topic-wise, act-wise, model mocks, and previous year solved papers with detailed and unique explanations. We will take you through real-time view also. End of this article. Here you can find course content in tabular form. Here is the first column with topics, second one with subtopics. Here you can see eBooks with number of pages and number of MCQs of each subtopic. Whatever is present here, the same you will get in paid course. Coming to labor laws, here you can see each act with eBooks, number of pages and number of MCQs for each act. Here is Code on Wages 2019 also. Coming to the model mocks, 10 as per exam pattern. Here you can see previous year solved papers with detailed explanations. All questions given in previous year's papers, these questions are not same questions asked in exam. Questions are reconstructed based on topic asked in real-time exam. Here you can find frequently asked questions. Please go through these to get clarified on common queries. Let's look into real-time view of course with other details. Here you can find two different parts as said. This course consists of study materials and test series. We provided comprehensive study materials and covered all corners of the subject or topic, so no need to refer any standard books or materials. This course is customized as per exam pattern. Here is topic management and subtopics too. Here HRM with subtopics. Here HRD with subtopics. Here OB with subtopics. Here IR with subtopics. Here labor legislations with subtopics. Here, labor welfare and market with subtopics. Here, labor laws with each act with simple language and limited pages, so no need to stress yourself. Here, new labor code with codes. Now, look at test series. Unit-wise or topic-wise test series consists of professional knowledge. According to IBPS, Mains exam has only professional knowledge questions. In each topic-wise test series, we added basic level questions, moderate level questions, and difficult level questions with detailed explanations. Like study materials, here also you can find test series of topics and subtopics. Here is topic management and subtopics too. Here HRM with subtopics. Here HRD with subtopics. Here OB with subtopics. Here IR with subtopics. Here labor legislations with subtopics. Here, labor welfare and market with subtopics. Coming to labor law and labor code, we covered each section, chapter, schedule and amendment into questions so you can cover whole act or code by this act-wise or code-wise test series. Here, new labor code with codes. So far we have seen topic-wise test series. Now we are here at model mock tests. There are 10 model mocks as per exam pattern only. 60 MCQs from subject knowledge, each question carries 1 mark and 1/4 negative marking for wrong answer. 45 minutes is allotted time for the test. Now we have previous year solved papers. We provided all the 5 solved papers with explanation for subject knowledge only. It will help you to understand the question pattern of the exam. This is all about IBPS SO HR online crash course demo. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!